Welcome to this explainer. I am absolutely thrilled you're tuning in today because we're going to unpack something that is fundamentally changing how ordinary people make money. We're breaking down a fully updated 2026 blueprint for building incredibly lucrative income streams using totally free AI tools. And you know what the best part is? You absolutely do not need a computer science degree, you don't need to know a single line of code, and you don't need any sort of special tech background. Honestly, if you can type a sentence and follow basic instructions, you can execute the exact strategies we're about to cover. Okay, let's dive into this. $15 billion, that's with a B. That is the staggering size the global ebook and AI services market has crossed this year alone. It's just a massive wealth creation opportunity. And yet, so many everyday people are completely ignoring it. But right now, as we speak, stay-at-home parents, teachers, and college students are quietly building these reliable income streams of $2,000 to $10,000 a month on platforms like Upwork and Etsy. Today, we're going to look under the hood at the exact blueprint they're using to pull this off. So here is our roadmap for today. Number 1, the AI middleman advantage. 2, the 7 profitable AI hustles. 3, the power of niching down. And finally, number 4, your 30-day action plan. Section 1, the AI middleman advantage. Bridge the gap. Look, the absolute biggest misconception out there right now is that you need to be some sort of AI genius to make money in this space. You really don't. You simply step in and bridge the gap between powerful tools like ChatGPT and the local businesses that desperately need them. Think about it like a local restaurant owner or a real estate agent. They are fantastic at cooking food or selling homes, but they don't have the time or frankly the knowledge to sit down and use AI effectively. You aren't inventing the AI, you're just becoming the bridge they need. Now I know exactly what you might be thinking. Come on, is this just a passing fad? It's a completely natural question, but the answer is a resounding no. What we're seeing is a permanent shift in how work gets done. The underlying demand for business writing, marketing, and content creation, that doesn't just fade away, it actually grows every year. AI simply comes in and makes producing all those things vastly cheaper and faster. So in the old way of doing things, a small business might have to pay a professional copywriter $100 an hour, which a lot of them simply cannot afford. But the AI middleman way? You jump into tools like ChatGPT or Claude, generate 80% of the heavy lifting in literally minutes, and then you spend your time applying that absolutely crucial 20% human touch. Editing for accuracy, adjusting the tone, giving it some personality. You end up delivering a fantastic result for, say, $50 to $75. The business saves a ton of money, and you earn a crazy high hourly rate for the time you actually put in. Let's move to Section 2 and see how this builds. The 7 profitable AI hustles ranked by potential. We've thoroughly analyzed the market, and these are the absolute best opportunities for beginners right now. These 7 hustles span a pretty wide range of services, and the earning potentials here stretch from about $500 all the way up to $6,000 a month. But what's truly fantastic about this list, the startup cost for almost all of these is essentially zero. Let's break down exactly what these look like in the real world. Hustle number 1 is AI freelance writing. Literally every business needs blog posts, website copy, and product descriptions. By utilizing AI to knock out the first drafts, you can easily scale up to earning $5,000 a month. Then, hustle number 2 is social media management. Did you know 78% of small business owners say they just don't have the time for consistent social posting? If you use AI to generate and schedule content and you charge just 3 local clients $600 a month to do it, well, that's an extra $1,800 a month just like that. Hustle number 3 shifts gears entirely into passive income, selling AI digital products on Etsy. This is brilliant because you do the work exactly once and you get paid repeatedly. You can use AI to quickly build out highly searchable products like resume templates, massive packs of social media captions, or detailed wedding planning checklists. Once you list them, these digital files sell automatically, 24/7. To put that into perspective, one Etsy seller from the source material makes $2,400 every single month from just one pack of social media captions that's specifically tailored for real estate agents. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is moving into that incredible $1,500 to $6,000 earning bracket. Hustle 4 is AI resume and LinkedIn optimization. It's a super high demand niche where you can easily charge $75 to $150 to just revamp someone's profile. But Hustle 5? This is the absolute most scalable opportunity on the entire list, AI chatbot setup. Using simple, no-code tools, you build a basic customer service bot for a local business. You do it once, charge them a setup fee, and then collect a recurring monthly maintenance fee. And the kicker? You can easily copy and paste that same bot architecture for your future clients. Rounding out our list, we have Hustle 6, AI video script writing. The creator economy on YouTube and TikTok is just gigantic right now. And those creators constantly need compelling scripts. You can easily charge $50 to $200 per script. And finally, Hustle 7 is AI-powered email marketing. Businesses will happily pay you top dollar to write promotional emails and newsletters. Why? Because email marketing averages a stunning $42 return on investment for every single dollar spent. It's a no-brainer for them. Section 3, the power of niching down. Be a specialist. Okay, so now that we have the vehicles for making money, we really need to talk about the steering wheel. This is the counterintuitive secret to actually making any of those 7 hustles work for you. I want to read this direct quote from the blueprint because it is absolutely vital to your success. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to do everything at once. It happens all the time. People discover these AI tools and they just get so excited. They want to offer AI writing and social media and chatbots and resumes all on day one. But let me tell you, spreading yourself that thin across multiple services, it just leads to scattered effort and zero real results. So the crucial point is this. You must pick one hustle and you must pick one target audience. Don't just be an AI specialist. Be the person who does AI blog writing for real estate agents or social media management for local restaurants. You really have to master a single combination for a single audience before you ever even attempt to expand. And here is exactly why this matters financially. If you market yourself simply as an AI content writer, you're a commodity. You're going to be competing on price with literally everyone else on the internet. But if you position yourself as an AI content writer for veterinary practices, suddenly you are a highly sought-after specialist. Those specific clients will happily pay double or even triple your rates because they feel like you speak their industry's unique language. Remember, depth beats breadth every single time when you're starting out. Section 4, your 30-day action plan. Get your first client. Look, knowledge without execution is just trivia, right? So here is the exact framework to get you started immediately. This is your minimum viable setup for your very first weekend. Step 1, just create your free accounts. Get on ChatGPT, Canva, and a freelance platform like Fiverr or Upwork. Step 2, make that hard choice we just talked about. Pick your one service and one niche. Step 3, jump into ChatGPT and create 3 sample pieces of work for your new portfolio. Save them as PDFs, and listen to me. Do not wait until you have a fancy website or the perfect logo. Imperfect action beats perfect inaction every single time. Having a live, slightly imperfect listing on a freelance site is infinitely better than a perfect business plan that only exists in your head. As we wrap up this explainer, I really want to leave you with this final thought directly from the source material. We've clearly established that the AI revolution is already here. The tools you need to do the work, they're completely free. The demand from local businesses and online creators is undeniably real, and it's growing every single day. Literally, the only thing standing between you and a brand new income stream is the decision to just start. So the question is, will you take action? Go make it happen. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I absolutely can't wait to see what you build.